Do you ever pray for close relationships, then find yourself pulling away, especially when someone actually gets close? Have you ever wondered, what's wrong with me? What if I told you nothing is wrong with you? Your heart, it may simply be protecting itself. I'm Virginia Dale Manning, licensed professional counselor supervisor, and I help strong but silently struggling Christian women heal emotional wounds through faith, psychology, and practical restoration so you can move from silently surviving to faithfully flourishing. As a therapist, I've noticed some things, and I'm surprised about many women. Most people who push others away, they don't actually want to be alone. That's surprising. They want love. They want connection. They want healthy relationships. But somewhere along the way, their heart learned that closeness could become painful. So maybe someone betrayed your trust. Maybe you were rejected. Maybe you opened your heart and it wasn't handled with care. Your nervous system quietly made a decision. Don't let anyone get too close ever again. So now, when someone starts caring about you, you overthink. You question their motives. You become distant. You stop responding. You convince yourself it won't work. Not because you don't want love, because your heart is trying to prevent another wound. But here's the difficult truth. The walls that protect you from pain also keep love out. Healing doesn't mean that you're tearing down every wall overnight. It means learning one relationship at a time what safe connection feels like. Jesus, he didn't create you to live isolated. He created you for a relationship with him and with others. And healing, it begins when we allow him to teach us that not every relationship will end with the way the painful ones did. If this felt like I was describing your life, I want you to know something. You're not broken. You're protecting a heart that deserves healing. I want you to watch today's full Healing Pathway episode, Why Do I Push People Away, to get a clearer understanding, because we'll uncover the emotional wound behind self-protection and discover how God gently restores trust. So I'll meet you there. See you soon.